Difference between split AC and window AC. Differences. Split AC is split into two parts. Window AC is single part. Split AC requires installation at two places. Window AC is single installation. Split AC puts cooling unit inside the room and exhaust unit outside. Window AC puts both the units at single place. Split AC is less noisy. Window AC is noisier. Split AC suitable for big premises. Window AC is suitable for small premises. Split AC needs professional for installation and servicing. Window AC needs no professional for installation and servicing. Split AC is bigger in size. Window AC is smaller in size. Split AC is difficult for relocation. Window AC is easier for relocation. Similes. Both split and window AC are used for air conditioning purpose. Both need electricity for running. Both need installation and servicing.